Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we will be discussing an essential component of an effective facility management system under ISO 41001, resource allocation. Proper resource allocation ensures that your facility management objectives are achieved efficiently while aligning with your organization's strategic goals. So, what is resource allocation in the context of facility management? It's the process of identifying, assigning, and managing the resources, such as people, equipment, technology, and finances required to implement and maintain an FM system effectively. According to ISO 41001, resource allocation isn't just about budgeting, it's about aligning resources to support operational excellence, environmental sustainability, and stakeholder satisfaction. Key types of resources. Resource allocation in FM system involves several key types of resources. First one is human resources. Facility managers, maintenance staff, contractors, and other personnel who contribute to the system's success. Financial resources. Budget for operational costs, infrastructure improvements, and sustainability initiatives. Technological resources. Tools, software, and equipment that enhance efficiency and productivity. Material resources, raw materials, consumables, and supplies needed for day-to-day operations. Each resource must be allocated effectively to ensure optimal performance. Steps for resource allocation in ISO 41001. Let's walk through the steps for resource allocation as outlined in ISO 41001. Understand organizational needs. Begin by analyzing the facility management objectives and identifying the resources required to achieve them. Evaluate resource availability. Assess the availability of internal and external resources. Identify gaps and plan for their acquisition or outsourcing. Prioritize allocation. Allocate resources based on the criticality of tasks. For instance, allocate more funds to essential maintenance to prevent disruptions. Budget planning. Develop a clear and realistic budget that aligns with organizational goals. Ensure funds are allocated for ongoing operations as well as unexpected contingencies. Utilize technology. Leverage facility management software to track resource usage, schedule maintenance, and optimize workflows. Monitor and adjust. Regularly monitor resource utilization to ensure efficiency. Adjust allocations based on performance data and evolving needs. Key considerations for effective resource allocation. Here are some critical considerations to keep in mind. Stakeholder engagement. Ensure input from key stakeholders to align resources with organizational priorities. Sustainability goals. Allocate resources to initiatives that promote energy efficiency, waste reduction, and environmental responsibility. Risk management. Set aside resources for unforeseen issues such as equipment breakdowns or emergency repairs. Training and competence. Invest in training for your team to maximize the effectiveness of human resources. Benefits of proper resource allocation. Proper resource allocation offers several benefits: improved operational efficiency and cost savings, enhanced service quality and stakeholder satisfaction, reduced downtime and operational risks, alignment with sustainability and compliance requirements. Resource allocation is the backbone of a successful facility management system. By following the guidelines of ISO 41001, organizations can ensure their resources are utilized effectively, driving both performance and sustainability. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us and see you soon in the next video. If you have any question, feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Till then, take care. Thank you.